When working in a highly populated environment, one person getting sick could risk spreading it to fellow coworkers. Your health is important, and barriers are an extra layer of protection against the transmission of harmful bacteria. Build a barrier that can protect your health and even provide privacy when you need it. Barriers made with 80/20 products are modular in nature and can easily be reconfigured when your needs change. A wide variety of panel options are available to you. Clear and tinted polycarbonate panels, or solid panels such as acrylic and ABS hair cell, and more are available. Whether you need a barrier for protection against illness or need to protect your privacy, we can help. Our specialists can help you design your custom solution. Contact us today to get started.